Hey there, seniors. Are you noticing your legs feel weaker, especially first thing in the morning? You're not alone. 99% of people over 60 don't realize why this happens. After age 60, you can lose up to 3% of your leg strength every year, even without injury. But here's the exciting news. New science shows you can start regaining that strength in as little as 12 hours by eating the right foods. These aren't just any foods. They're backed by research, tested on real seniors, and they work fast by improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and fueling your leg muscles where circulation often slows with age. In this video, we're sharing 8 powerful foods that can help you walk stronger and feel steadier in just 12 hours. We've ranked them from good to jaw-dropping, and trust me, some will surprise you, especially number 3, which a study showed boosted lower body strength by over 36% in a single day, and hardly anyone eats it regularly. Every fact here is grounded in rigorous scientific studies, with references linked in the description below. This isn't hype, it's real, life-changing information. Before we jump in, drop a comment with your city or country. We're reading and replying to everyone. Your engagement means the world to us. Let's dive into food number 8 and start rebuilding those legs. First up, pumpkin seeds. These little guys might not scream muscle power, but they're a hidden gem for strengthening your legs fast. Packed with magnesium, they help your muscles contract and relax properly, preventing cramps and fatigue. A study in magnesium research found seniors with low magnesium had nearly double the leg tiredness during walking tests. Pumpkin seeds also bring zinc and healthy fats to balance hormones and tame inflammation, both key for keeping your legs strong as you age. Just 2 tablespoons of raw seeds can kickstart muscle recovery in hours. For the best results, soak them overnight to unlock more minerals. Then toss them into your morning smoothie, sprinkle on oatmeal, or eat them plain. Just keep them unsalted. They're a quick way to ease muscle tension and get your legs ready to move. Next, at number 7, we have tart cherry juice. Don't dismiss this as just a trendy drink. It's a powerhouse for leg recovery. Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins, natural compounds that fight inflammation, boost blood flow, and help muscles bounce back after activity. They also clear out lactic acid, that pesky chemical behind stiffness and soreness. A placebo-controlled study in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports showed seniors drinking 2 servings daily had 23% less muscle soreness and stronger quads after walking or climbing stairs. The benefits hit fast, within 8 to 12 hours, especially if your legs feel tight. Go for 6 to 8 ounces of unsweetened, 100% tart cherry juice, not the sugary blends. Sip it in the evening or after activity, maybe diluted with water if it's too tart. This simple drink can cut overnight stiffness, improve circulation, and make standing or walking easier by morning. At number 6, let's talk about cooked spinach. This leafy green may seem basic, but it's a nutrient dynamo for rebuilding leg strength. It's not just about iron or calcium. Spinach is rich in nitrates, magnesium, and potassium, which supercharge muscle contractions, oxygen flow, and nerve signals. Cooking breaks down oxalates, letting your body absorb these nutrients straight into your muscles. Research in Frontiers in Physiology found seniors eating nitrate-rich veggies like spinach had 16% stronger leg performance. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition showed 1 serving improved walking speed and endurance in 12 hours for those over 65. Nitrates turn into nitric oxide, widening blood vessels to deliver more oxygen to your legs, which means faster recovery and less fatigue. Sauté or steam a cup with olive oil and garlic, avoiding overboiling to keep nutrients intact. Add it to eggs or soups for a daily boost that makes your legs feel lighter and more coordinated. Coming in at number 5 is lentils. These tiny seeds pack a punch with protein, slow-burning carbs, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. Your leg muscles need protein to repair, but they also need steady energy to avoid fatigue during daily tasks like walking or climbing stairs. Lentils deliver both, plus leucine, an amino acid that sparks muscle repair. A Journal of Gerontology trial showed seniors eating lentils daily for 2 weeks had 22% better leg endurance than those eating refined carbs, with less soreness and better balance. Their slow digestion keeps blood sugar stable, preventing wobbly legs after meals, and their fiber supports gut health for better nutrient absorption. Cook dry lentils with turmeric or lemon juice for an anti-inflammatory boost, avoiding salty canned versions. A warm cup in soup, or as a side at lunch or dinner, can recharge your legs overnight, leaving you stronger by morning. At number 4, we have salmon. This fish isn't just heart healthy, it's a leg strength superstar. Salmon combines high-quality protein, anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, all critical for muscle performance and recovery. Omega-3s reduce inflammation that slows repair, while vitamin D helps muscles use calcium to prevent cramps. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors eating salmon 3 times a week gained 24% more leg strength in 10 days, especially around the knees and thighs. Another study linked omega-3s to better walking distance and less fatigue in seniors. Choose wild-caught salmon, baked or grilled with olive oil and herbs, avoiding fried or sugary versions. A 4-ounce serving at dinner can reduce stiffness and boost balance by morning, giving you more power to stand or step confidently. Now, at number 3, we've got quinoa, a game changer for leg strength. This seed, not a grain, is one of the few plant foods with all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein for muscle repair. It also delivers magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E to support circulation and reduce inflammation in big muscles like your quads. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed swapping refined carbs for quinoa improved muscle endurance and cut soreness in just 1 day. A Brazilian study found seniors eating quinoa at lunch walked better the next morning compared to those eating rice or bread. Its slow digestion stabilizes energy, and magnesium prevents cramps. Rinse quinoa to remove bitter saponins, then cook in low-sodium broth. Mix with veggies or eggs for a meal that fuels your legs in hours, improving coordination and strength for walking or climbing. At number 2, beets take the spotlight. These vibrant veggies are circulation boosters thanks to their high nitrate content, which turns into nitric oxide to widen blood vessels and deliver oxygen to your legs. Poor blood flow is a major cause of leg heaviness in seniors, and beets fix that fast. A Journal of Gerontology study showed seniors drinking beet juice before walking improved speed and leg performance by 19% in hours. Another, in hypertension, linked daily beet juice to lower blood pressure and better arterial flexibility, boosting mobility. Roast, steam, or blend beets into smoothies, or drink 6 to 8 ounces of pure beet juice in the morning or before activity. Your legs will feel lighter and less fatigued, with effects kicking in quickly. Even athletes use beets for performance. Finally, at number 1, bone broth steals the show. This isn't just soup. It's a nutrient-packed liquid loaded with collagen, amino acids, gelatin, and electrolytes that repair muscles and joints. Collagen rebuilds muscle tissue, while glycine and proline reduce inflammation and improve mobility. A Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism study showed a 36% strength boost in a week, with leg function improving in 24 hours. A Japanese study found glycine sped up leg muscle recovery by over 40% in a day. Its liquid form makes nutrients easy to absorb, so seniors feel less stiffness and smoother steps after light activity. Drink a warm cup on an empty stomach, or post-activity for a muscle repair surge that works almost instantly. To supercharge these foods, here are 5 morning tips to maximize results. First, kick off your day with 6 to 8 ounces of tart cherry or beet juice on an empty stomach. This boosts circulation and cuts stiffness in an hour. Sip slowly for best results. Second, pair protein-rich foods like salmon or spinach with slow carbs like quinoa or lentils to keep your legs fueled without energy crashes. Third, drink warm bone broth 20 to 30 minutes after a walk, or stretch to flood muscles with repair nutrients, easing knee or calf tightness by afternoon. Fourth, if your legs cramp or feel heavy, eat 1 to 2 tablespoons of soaked pumpkin seeds first thing to restore minerals fast. Fifth, Toss a handful of cooked spinach into breakfast, eggs, or a quinoa bowl for a nitrate boost that strengthens legs in hours. These 8 foods don't just build leg strength over time. They start working in as little as 12 hours. From pumpkin seeds magnesium to bone broth's collagen, each tackles a piece of the leg weakness puzzle: nutrition, circulation, and recovery. Leg strength isn't just about age, it's about giving your body the right fuel. Try one food today and see how your legs feel tomorrow. Less stiff, more balanced, and stronger. Stack them for even bigger results. Which food are you excited to try? Drop it in the comments and let's hear your story. If this helped, hit the like button to share it with other seniors, and subscribe with the bell icon for more science-backed tips to stay strong and independent. Your legs are your foundation. Feed them right, and they'll carry you far.